if your Ficht is not running like this, I'm going to show you a couple of issues that could be causing your problem. I say number one is fuel. Here's a vapor separator, and with all the bad fuel today, it's causing a lot of issues with that and also the injectors. Then your most expensive fix is probably going to be your ECU, because you pick up sand from your lower unit and it goes through these holes in the ECU and it basically overheats the ECU. The next thing I'm going to tell you, it could cause your motor to blow up. It's the oil pump. It is very important. So if you get a beeping sound, a warning sign, don't keep driving your boat. Next on our list is the power distribution fuse panel, or the fuse box. They have a couple of pins that go bad.
Check your fuses and relays also.
If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe so I could keep your toys going. I'm trying to get all the information I can and get you affordable parts. And next, we have the flywheel. This thing could cause a whole bunch of issues, especially from the magnets. These destroy your stator and will cause a whole electrical nightmare. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you guys want to see next, and if this video was helpful. See you on the next one.